Okay, so in this video tutorial we're going to begin learning the last line of At the Foot of Yonder Mountain. So we're going to begin by looking at the first bar on line 3, and just to start off we're going to write the notes that we're playing. So if you have a pencil, you can write these below the notes, and the first two notes are B, A, and then the last two notes are G and E. We're now going to clap the notes out just so we know how long each of the notes lasts and to get the timing correct. So you'll see that the first two notes are joined together with a beam, and as you are probably already quite familiar with now, these notes are quavers. So we've got two notes squeezed into beat 1 because they last half a beat each, and the way we count them is like this: 1 and then the last two notes, the G and the E, are both crotchets, and they're taking up beats 2 and 3. So we count them like this: 2, 3. So putting all of these notes together goes like this: 1 and 2, 3. Or you can use the word chicken if you like to help you get the timing right of the first two notes. So you could say it like this: chicken, 2, 3. If you follow your tablature, we'll just go through that. You'll see the first note is a 0 on the second line. So we're using our second string, and you don't need to press down on any of the strings with your other hand. It's an open second string, or a B note. So that's your first note, and then you move up then to where it says 2, 0 on the third line of the tablature. So you're moving up to your third string, and you're using your second finger to the second fret, and then you just lift your finger off for the 0 or the open note, and then you finish off this bar by moving up to the fourth string. You can see there's a number 2 on the fourth line of your tablature. So again, second finger on the second fret of your fourth string. So putting this all together in terms of the timing, we would go 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Or chicken, 2, 3. I'll play it just once more without counting. We're now going to move on to the second bar of line 3, and there are only 3 notes in this bar, and those notes are G, G and A if you're writing them in your handbook. We're just going to clap the notes out just to make sure we know how long each note lasts for. So the first note you can see is a white note, or the proper name for it is minim, and it lasts for 2 beats or 2 counts. So as we play it or clap it, we go like this: 1, 2. Then the last two notes are quavers, and so we are squeezing 2 quavers into beat 3, so we'll count that as 3 and. So putting that all together, these notes are clapped like this: 1, 2, 3 and. I'll do it again: 1, 2, 3 and you might want to have a go at that and pause the video. So if I was to begin trying to play these on the guitar, all of these notes are on the third line of our tablature, so everything is on the third string. The first 2 notes are open notes because you'll see there are 2 zeros, so you go like this: 1, 2, and then you're going to do 0, 2, the last 2 notes, so you play the open string again, and then with your second finger you're going to play the third string second fret. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3 and. 1, 2, 3 and. So practice that bar, and maybe try to put bars 1 and 2 together. Okay, so moving on to bar number 3, the notes that we're playing, if you're jotting them down, are B, A, G, G. B, A, G, G. We're going to clap the notes out again. So the first 2 notes are crotchets, and they are taking up beats 1 and 2. So we count them like this: 1, 2. Then the last 2 notes are quavers, so notes that last half a beat each, and we're squeezing those into beat 3. So again we count 3 and. So putting that all together goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, and. So where to find the notes? If we look at our tablature, you'll see that we are playing a 0 to start off with. So that's a 0 on your second string. So second string open. And then the rest of the notes you'll find on the third string. So you're playing, it says number 2 there on the third line of your tablature. So second finger, second fret on the third string. Then you have followed by 2 open notes on the third string. So just playing your third string without pressing down on any notes with your other hand. So it's we just putting that all together. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and now without counting. Okay, so what we're going to do now is put all of these 3 bars together, and I'll do it first of all counting the beats, and then I'll play it without counting the beats so you can hopefully hear how it sounds. So here we go. After 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and now again without counting every beat. 1, 2, 3. So try putting those 3 bars together along with the first 2 lines that you've learnt as well, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next Zoom lesson.